Hello mga ka-artist! Uy, wait lang! Huwag ka muna mag-scroll. Paki-like and share ng ating video dyan. So, meron tayong gagawin na isang stone painting. Ayan. So, bagong hugas pa tong bato na to. So, nilinisan ko pa. So, yung gagawin natin dito is Katunggan Eco Park. Dito yan sa Libak, Sultan Kudarat. Ayan lang, panoorin ng video. Bye!
Sunlight streams through the window. A gentle breeze stirs the corners of memories. Time slows down as you quietly sit there. Your soft smile fills the room with warmth and ease. Our time, oh, it feels eternal. Laughter and tears. Every moment is ours. Through the seasons, let's cherish this life, 'cause every second, every glance hides a love so bright. Guitar.
Ayan. Finally, tapos na tayo sa ating stone painting. Ayan. O, bato talaga yun siya, o. May pintura pa kukuha natin. And ayan. Katunggan Eco Park, Libak, Sultan Kudarat. Ayan, o. Ayan.
Let's sing our song, hearts beating in the same
Bye.
space.